This is Math Lesson 2.3, Model Taking Apart. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can use objects and draw taking apart a group. Let's read our problem. It says, Noah has 7 pencils. 3 pencils are short, and the rest are long. How many long pencils does Noah have? So I know that he has 7 pencils. So I'm going to model that with my counters today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It also says 3 pencils are short. So I know 1, 2, 3 pencils are short, and the rest are long. So I know that these pencils here, the yellow ones, are my short pencils. And I know that these pencils right here are the long pencils. So let's draw a picture of our model. So I would draw a picture of 1, we'll make that a little bigger, of 1, 2, 3 short, and 1, 2, 3, 4 long. So let's write a number sentence. And we're going to start here with what our problem says. It says Noah has 7 pencils. So he started with 7. He started with 7. And I'm looking at 7. I can't have any more than 7. So I know that in order to figure out how many I have my long pencils, I need to take away my short ones, minus 3. And that's going to give me the answer, equals. So if I have 7 altogether, I take away my 3 short ones. How many long ones do I still have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 long pencils. So the 7 is the total that I had. The 3 is the short. And our answer, the difference, is the long pencils. Let's go to our next problem. Let's read what it says. Alessandro has 7 trucks. 2 are small trucks, and the rest are big. How many big trucks does he have? So the first thing I'm going to do is model this with my counters. Alessandro has 7 trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It says 2 are small trucks. So he has 1, 2 small trucks, and the rest are big. So I know if these 2 out of the 7, these 2 are small, I know that the rest are big. So let's go ahead and draw a picture of our model. When I draw my picture, I'll be using my crayons. or my pencil, I have 2 small and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 7 altogether. So let's write a number sentence. And we're going to use our problem to write our number sentence. It said Alessandro has 7 trucks. So he starts with 7 trucks. That's the total amount that he has. Minus, there are 2 small trucks. So we're going to take away the 2 small trucks equals, if we take away these 2 small trucks, how many big trucks does he have? The rest are big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he has 5 that are big. So the 7 is how many he has total. Part of our group is small. So we have our small trucks is part. And we have the rest are big. And that would be our answer, or the difference. Let's go to our last one. Here we go. It says, Dahlia has 6 flowers. 3 flowers are red and the rest are yellow. How many yellow flowers does she have? So the first thing we're going to do is model. So think about what we should be doing to model it. If you said to have 6 flowers, awesome job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Think about what we need to do next. The next part of our sentence of our problem says 3 flowers are red. So I'm going to put 3 flowers that are going to be my red. And remember, it doesn't make a difference what colors we're using. It just makes a difference that you know what they stand for. So I'm going to label these the red flowers. And then it says the rest are yellow. So I know the rest of them are yellow. It's always good to have a label so you know what your parts are. So now I'm going to draw that. I'm going to draw my model. I know I see 3 yellow circles, and I see 3 red circles. And now I'm going to write my number sentence that goes with this problem. And it says, Dahlia has 6 flowers. So I know I'm going to start with the number 6. I know we start with 6. And it says 3 flowers are red and the rest are yellow. So I know that in order to find out the yellow, I need to subtract my red. Well, I look up and I see I have 3 red. Equals, and I want to know the amount of yellow flowers. So I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 yellow flowers. Awesome job learning today.